Are you tired of spending hours mapping impact pathways only to still feel unsure where your research is headed? Let's face it, impact planning is messy. Time's short, guidance is vague, and spotting the right audience or outputs to create impact can feel like guesswork. Meet Majykri, the AI-powered tool for research impact that turns complex impact planning into a 5-minute guided session. No consultants, no downloads, no chaos. Just outline your research idea. Majykri suggests audiences, outputs, and evidence, even formats you hadn't considered. From pathways to case studies or proposals, you get a plan of action in minutes. Save time, cut costs, and stay laser-focused on real-world change. Want to plan and accelerate your impact without the hassle? Try Majykri today and turn your research into a plan to get real-world results easier than ever.